Discover how real estate can become your unstoppable ally against rising inflation, securing not just your wealth, but your future and your happiness. Real estate foreclosure auctions offer unique opportunities for those bold enough, the right investors, to seize properties others wouldn't dare touch. Investors are deeply concerned about holding on to the value of their investments, especially now in the face of rising inflation. Are you ready to watch your wealth soar? Uncover the secret to turning real estate into your unstoppable inflation-proof fortune. Real estate investments, including those from foreclosure auctions, have, and historically, always appreciated in value over time. There's a growing concern that inflation could slowly but surely erode the wealth of investors. Real estate is not just an investment, it's a story of resilience. Time and again, it has shown consistent long-term appreciation. Take residential properties, for instance. Values have soared, dramatically outpacing income. Since 1965, when you combine rental income, the average annual return stands at a staggering 9.7%. This is more than just numbers. It underscores real estate's undeniable potential as both a safeguard against inflation and a pathway to enduring wealth. Unlike the stock market, which can be wildly unpredictable, real estate investments offer something different: stability, consistency. The average annual appreciation rate for existing homes, it's been around 5.4% per year from 1968 to 2009. This rate, slightly above inflation. And that kind of stability makes real estate a much safer choice for long-term wealth protection. Real estate appreciation is driven by far-reaching economic forces and geographical shifts. When regions thrive, benefiting from economic growth, reduced interest rates, or enhanced local amenities, property values soar. Take, for instance, cities like New York or San Francisco. In these urban landscapes, appreciation and rental incomes often outpace what you'd find in more rural regions. This striking geographical variation highlights a critical truth. Location dictates the trajectory of your real estate investment success. Discover the untold secret to protecting your wealth and thriving. Even when inflation soars, this is the game changer you simply can't afford to miss. Real estate is often seen unshaken amid the chaos of other investments. Periods of inflation can stir uncertainty for so many investments, leaving the shadow of potential value depreciation. Throughout history, real estate has thrived in times of inflation. Property values, against the tide of rising costs, steadily climb. And as inflation pushes the cost of living higher, so too do prices and the rents that follow, soaring in unison. Inflation can lead to higher construction costs. And with fewer new housing developments, it creates a shortage that pushes prices higher and higher. This dynamic helps maintain or even increase the value of existing real estate, making it a stable, sought-after asset. Real estate has been shown to offer strong long-term capital preservation against inflation. Over longer holding periods, real estate values tend to protect against inflation, with property values often increasing more than the rate of inflation. Unlock the secret to skyrocketing rental income and safeguarding your investments from inflation. Don't let rising costs steal your profits. Investors renting out properties acquired through foreclosure auctions aim to generate income. Over time, inflation may slowly erode the purchasing power of that rental income, steadily reducing its real value. Investors can structure their rental agreements to include periodic rent adjustments tied directly to inflation indices like the Consumer Price Index or CPI. This ensures that rental income steadily rises alongside inflation, safeguarding the investor's purchasing power and preserving the true value of their income stream. In times of high inflation, demand for rental properties often stays strong. This gives landlords the chance to raise rents, keeping pace with the rising cost of everything else. It's a natural adjustment, allowing investors to preserve their income's power, even while inflation quietly eats away at the value of fixed incomes. Investors have the power to negotiate lease terms that allow for rent adjustments in response to rising inflation. This might include shorter leases, more frequent rent evaluations, or clauses that trigger increases tied to inflation metrics. Specific and clear. By weaving these provisions in, investors ensure that their rental income stays firmly aligned with the shifting tides of inflation in the market. In this video, you've unlocked something powerful: the incredible potential of real estate as your personal financial shield against inflation. We took a journey together to discover how real estate investments not only grow in value over time, but also offer you a flexible income stream through their rental properties. Picture this: by adjusting rental rates right in line with inflation, you secure a dependable income, an income that rises with the cost of living, helping to protect your wealth and safeguard your future stability. But that's not all. By seizing unique opportunities like foreclosure auctions, you're positioned to acquire valuable assets at a price that works in your favor. You've made a meaningful step today, one that brings you closer to navigating economic change with confidence